What are you going to check next? Underneath the table?
Yes. My baby's not singing whenever I push her.
Do you need Nathan to fix your baby? Is that the idea? We'll see if you can fix it.
Look, remember she's supposed to sing? It's not singing. Yeah, look, it's not singing. Maybe we should turn her over and check her battery? Yeah. Let's check her battery. It's on off. Thanks, Nathan. I turned it off just for show. Daddy, look.